What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So since the last time we've done the rod bearings, everything, I honestly don't think it was the rod bearings that caused the bearing like dust in the oil. We did the first oil change, first oil filter yesterday. There was a bit of gold, but really not a lot. It really looked good. There was like just a few sprinkles, nothing big. I'll show you the reason why I think it wasn't the bearings. So we can quickly go over the bearings and then the bearing that I think was the actual problem. But look, all is well. We drove 250 k's already in this thing. So we've just got like 750 left, and then we can like push out. But this thing sounds way different. The ball bearing. I don't know if it's the ball bearing or the size, because it is bigger, but it sounds completely different. Okay, so this is the reason that I don't think it was the rod bearings. You see, this is the old journal bearing from the previous turbo. Do you like my socks? Pretty, eh? Anyways, this is the journal bearing from the previous turbo. Now, if you look at that thing, you see that this should be completely like just one color. It shouldn't have any chips and stuff. If you look at that, focus. See, there's a chip away there, and all around the sides it caught. And if you look at the back as well, I'm shaking like a freaking old man. We're gonna quickly go look at the bearings. You'll see not one of them went through to gold. So all of them have a bit of marks. This one feels completely frictionless. There's no marks on that one. This one, it's got a scuff you can see, but you can't actually like feel it with your nail or nothing. This one, same story. I think this one you can feel a little bit, but I mean most of them, these four here, they look bad, but once again, they didn't go through to metal. It's just a bit of like scuffs. So I think the actual gold dust was the journal bearing, because remember I blew the turbo. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on the actual, it's probably super dark in here, let me just put it like that. An update on the car. We did the first oil filter, there was no stuff. I drove the car 250 k's, didn't hear any problems, the car felt fine, drove fine. Everything was sharp. Now we're gonna go fishing. I know it's not really part of the channel, and I don't think I'm going to talk much, but it's going to be like a little montage. It's really pretty. Hope you guys enjoy. that's just bubbles there. I don't see any metal. I'll just put this down. All just bubbles. Okay, let's just put the new filter in and then we can go check how the old one looks. Okay, that's in. I'll come tighten this one now. Okay, so we're gonna check this one now, cut it open and see if there's any pieces of metal in here. Yeah, just get a knife. Okay, so it actually looks very good. There's nothing. There's not even one piece of gold flake. I thought it will still be a few because there should be like a few stuff that's just lying loose. The previous time there was a few, but it was very little. There's literally nothing. Couldn't find one gold speck in there. I actually didn't even find a lot of silver specks. I just found a bit of carbon. That's it, nothing more. So that is very good. That makes me positive. I don't know if I'm going to put in a clip of how the car sounds now. Actually, I will. I drove it yesterday night, and like I said, it sounds completely different with the ball bearing. I'll quickly put a clip in. It sounds so beautiful. And quick update for you guys that are actually watching my videos to the end. From tomorrow, I think, I'm going to be running an E40 mix. So we're going to make a bit more power on the single turbo as well. So we went up in compressor size. So we went from a 61 to a 67. And we're going to go from just normal 95 pump fuel to E40. So this car's going to be proper fast. Then we just have to do a dyno because I really want to see what kind of power this thing makes. And then I want to start to do some races. Race some proper supercars like R8s and shit. Yeah. But I'll check you guys in the next one. Cheers.